So here's the truth. Your 20s are weird. You're expected to have a plan, but you also have no idea what you're doing. These are 10 simple habits that actually helped me feel more in control, even when life felt like chaos. Every morning, I open Notion and write 3 things: what I have to do, what I want to do, and how I'm actually feeling. I started taking one walk every day. No phone, no podcast, just me and my thoughts. It's awkward at first, but it's like a mental reset button. Cheap therapy. Every day, I message one friend I haven't talked to in a while. Nothing deep, just yo, how's life? Keeps your people close without feeling like a huge effort. 15 minutes of real, no distraction focus on something. No phone, no multitasking. It's short enough to not hate, long enough to build momentum. Everyone sets a wake-up alarm, but I started setting a sleep alarm. At 11 p.m., phone goes on airplane mode. Sleep wins. Every night, I write one thing I did well. Just one. Some days it's, I showered. That still counts. Don't worry so much about personal development that you forget to actually live. One last thing. Lack of ideas isn't your problem. Lack of money probably is. You're not lazy, you're surviving. So be kind to yourself while you build the life you want.